hope you are fine at home and you are utilizing this lockdown period. See, this is a very tough situation, and this is not only for our country, the whole world is facing the same situation. It's not a problem, it's a challenge, and we have to accept it. Please don't get panic and don't worry. We are ready to help you, and I'm advising you, I'm telling you every time that you prepare a schedule, follow it. There are lots of things to do. The activities which you love most, you please do those activities. Trust your parents, trust your teachers, and don't worry about the books also. The study materials which we are sending is enough for you. You just watch the video, read the text document and the pictures which we are sending, and go through the questions. We are always ready to help you. I know that you are missing your school, your friends, even we are also missing you. But children, you must have remembered that what I told you. You are not only a student, you are the brave little soldiers of this country. Yes, you are little, but brave soldiers of the country. Now the time came to prove this. You have to prove it, and we have to face this challenge bravely and smartly. Your Didiji is with you. I really trust you a lot, and I need the same trust from your side also. Please cooperate your parents, your country, and deal this situation smartly. Follow our instructions and believe in you and us. So children, today we will study parts of speech. We studied the basic concept of English grammar, alphabet, words, sentences, parts of a sentence, kinds of sentences, consonants and vowels, and also the alphabetical order. Today we will study parts of speech. Now, what do you mean by speech? Whatever we speak is called speech. While speaking, we use sentences which are made up of meaningful words. The meanings of the words add up to give meaning to the sentence. Each word in a sentence do a certain job. Observe the following sentence. An old man walks slowly. In this sentence, an stands for numeral, that is 1. Old shows a quality. Man stands for a person. See the old man standing. Walks shows an action. Slowly shows the manner of walking. Clearly, each word in a sentence plays its role to help the sentence express its sense. Different words do different jobs in a sentence. And according to these jobs, words have been classified into 9 different categories. These categories are called parts of speech. They are nouns, pronouns, determiners, adjectives, verbs, adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. Let's start with nouns. Naming words, or we can say that the words that name persons, animals, places, or things are called nouns. Nouns means the naming words, like boy, cow, India Gate, chair. Now, pronouns. The words that are used for nouns to avoid their repetition are called pronouns, as I, you, we, and he. Determiners. The words that express the types of reference regarding nouns are called determiners, as one, this, some, my, and etc. Or we can say that they are the words that decide or limit or determine a noun that follows. They are small words used before nouns to tell us which one, how many, or whose. See some examples. All living beings are mortal. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. 50 passengers can be seated in this bus. The words all, the, 50, and this are determiners. One ice cream. One is the determiner. This pot, this. Some rice, some. My umbrella, my. One, this, some, and my are determiners. Now adjectives. The words that express qualities of nouns are called adjectives, as fat man, red tomato, slim lady, hot coffee. Fat, red, slim and hot expresses the qualities of these nouns, so these are adjectives. Verbs. Doing words, or we can say that the words that express actions are called verbs, as run, read, laugh, sleep. So run, read, laugh and sleep are the actions, so these are the verbs. Adverbs. As per the name, it means add plus verb, adjective or adverb. An adverb is a word which adds something to the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb, as loudly, fast, there, at noon. Now preposition. As per the name, it means pre plus position, taking up a position before something. A preposition is a word that is used before a noun or a pronoun. It shows its relationship with some other noun or pronoun in the sentence, as on, in, under, over. On, in, under, over. These are preposition. Conjunctions. Con plus junction means joining together. Joining words, or we can say that the words that join words, phrases or sentences together are called conjunctions, as Tom and Jerry. In Tom and Jerry, and is the conjunction. Sick but happy. Sick but happy. But is the conjunction. Car or jeep. In car or jeep, or is the conjunction. Old yet smart. In old yet smart, yet is the conjunction. Interjections. The words that are exclaimed. Exclaimed means said something suddenly or loudly because of the surprise, anger and etc. The words that are exclaimed suddenly under sudden and strong emotions are called interjections, as aha, alas, well done, bravo. Remember children, word patterns are composed of parts of a speech. Each part of a speech has its own special function. There are 9 parts of a speech. They are noun, naming word, pronoun, substitute for noun, determiner, word that determines something about a noun, adjective, describing word, verb, doing word, adverb, word modifying action, preposition, relates one thing to another, conjunction, joining word, and the last, interjection, expresses emotion. So children, I am attaching one text document with my video. You will read the text document to understand this chapter properly, and in the next class I will explain noun and we will continue it up to interjection. So children, thank you. Stay safe at your home.